Hello you who's watching me right now, whether you're sitting, squatting, taking a wee-wee or a poo, how are you? I'm Lim Ah Sing. In this materialistic society, out of 1,000 people, 997 people are busy while 2 are free. Why are they so busy? I haven't the slightest clue. But for a man like me, how do I find the time to do advertisements? StarTasker. What is StarTasker? Hold on a sec. Okay, what is StarTasker? It's a service marketplace for when you don't have time to do your task. Just upload your task, offer a price, and get someone to do it for you lah. Don't understand? Let me show you an example.
Let's say I'm very busy today and my toilet is very dirty and smelly until a bit tahan. What do? Just click, take a picture of a smelly and dirty toilet, then post it on StarTasker. Later, someone will apply to offer help. You can then slowly choose the right helper. Come and look at this decent looking wifey girl. The most important thing is choosing the right person for the job. Just take one look at her and you know that she's the best helper to do this task. If you find a suitable person, just offer the job. Hey, don't give me that look. Even though I'm a gentleman, when helpers register on StarTasker, they'll be thoroughly checked and vetted, so it's absolutely safe, no worries. Furthermore, don't get scared about not getting paid. Helpers always get paid after the task. StarTasker is not just about household tasks. Let's say you don't have time to go to the bank, no time to go to the post office to pay your bills, no time to finish your homework, no time to look after your dog, children, or take care of your pet monkey. Just post on StarTasker and offer price. Post onto StarTasker and let helpers come to you. So let's say you're an amazing, talented individual, you're a professional photographer, amazing cook, best floor cleaner in all of Penang. Then you must register on StarTasker. In conclusion, StarTasker connects people who want to work and people who have jobs to offer. StarTasker connects people who have talent with people who don't have time to do their tasks. So register now. So don't forget that, huh? Wow, Penang so many talented people, not bad.